Hello, welcome to this lecture video. Our purpose for today is to discuss or to use Microsoft Excel solver for us to generate sensitivity analysis. So we have here the same problem that we used in using Microsoft Excel in solving linear programming problems with you. So just to recall the problem, let us just read this again and then just generate the result together with, so at this time, we will be also generating sensitivity analysis. So the problem is, a local boutique produced two designs of gown A and B and has the following materials. So let us maybe just focus here. So in design A, let's focus here in our encoded data in Microsoft Excel. So to produce design A, we need 3 cotton, square meters of cotton, 2 square meters of silks, and 1 square meter of wool for us to, of course, get a profit of 1,200 pesos for each design. While for design B, we need 2 square meters of cotton, 4 square meters of silks, and we don't need wools to come up with, of course, in each of design, a profit of 1,600. So we know for sure that when we talk about profit, that is whenever we already remove the expenses or the cost in buying, of course, those materials. And then the available cotton is 18 square meters. Available silk is 20 square meters. And the available wool is 5. We have to enter, so we have here the profit. So the objective function is, of course, to compute for the number of design A that will be produced multiplied by the profit 1,200 plus design B multiplied by 1,600. So this is our objective function. It's entered in this cell. While for us to determine for the number of cotton that will be needed when we produce the design A and the design B, then we have also to multiply 3 multiplied by, of course, we do not know yet how many number of design A needs to be produced, plus 2 multiplied by design B. So we have to do that for all the materials for us to identify, of course, the values here that will represent the number of square meters of cotton, silk, and wool that we used. So let us again multiply this using design B. And the last one, 1 multiplied by design A added to the product of the wool multiplied to design B. Of course, we do not know that yet. And we also encoded here the 18, 20, and 5 corresponding to the available materials of cotton, silk, and wool respectively. Now, using the solver, so we have here data, solver, and we were able to enter this value already in our previous video. So as mentioned, the set objective, we have to, if we remove that, the set objective is, of course, the objective function, this one. And then the changing variable is the values of the number of design A and design B. So this one. And then we also entered the constraint, or let us maybe just reset all so that we can also review that part. So let's reset it. So let's enter the objective and the changing functions. And we have to add the constraints. So this includes, of course, the formula again for the number of cottons that will be used, less than or equal to 18. Add formula for the number of silk used, less than or equal to the number available, add, and the last one is formula to compute for the number of wool used less than or equal to the available material 5 and click OK. So what we need to do is to click rather solve, and we can find here sensitivity. So this is the sensitivity. So click that and click OK. So we were able to generate the sensitivity report and we have it here. But again, just looking at our first sheet, so it means that we have to produce 4 gowns of design A, 3 gowns of design B to produce a maximum profit of 9,600. So now let's go to the sensitivity report. So this is the sensitivity report. So it also shows the value computed, like the number of design A. So we have final value 4 and design B 3. So reduce cost and the objective coefficient 1,200 and 1,600 respectively. So we also have here allowable increase and allowable decreased, allowable increase for design B and allowable decrease for design B. And below that, we also have here the constraints. So we have here columns that shows the final value, shadow price, constraints, RH side, allowable increase, and allowable decrease. So in the next video, we will be talking about how to interpret all of this. So our objective is simply to generate the sensitivity report. So thank you for watching.